What's up, respiratory world? This is our Zoll transport ventilator, similar to the Eagle I've seen used by the EMS squad when they picked up their patients at the hospital before. You can go through modes like AC, SIMV, CPAP, bi-level just by PAP. Back to SME. Press it to get your desired where you want to stay. Adjust the frequency. Press it to keep it. Adjust the tidal value. Press it to keep it low and high PIP alarms. Frequency, or not frequency, FiO2. And it shows that it reads the cardiac heart rate and saturation, or manual breath allows you to get a PIP pressure. So it's like a static appliance maneuver. You hold it, it stops ventilation, and allows you to get a compliance of the patient's lungs. I've used similar setups to like this on the transport. We have our connection for our single limb circuit hooked up to our bottle. Connection for the O2 therapy. Pressure lines, make sure they're in place before you get a leak. And this is our EMV 731 series Zoll transport ventilator.